What are the differences between domestic cats and wild cats like jaguars? Cats have always fascinated humans with their graceful movements, mysterious nature, and independent spirit. While domestic cats have become an integral part of our lives, there are still wild cats out there that resemble our adorable pets but possess a different set of characteristics. One such example is the majestic jaguar. In this video, we will explore the differences between domestic cats and wild cats like jaguars. Appearance-wise, domestic cats and wild cats like jaguars have distinct features that set them apart. Domestic cats come in various shapes and sizes, ranging from small and slender breeds like Siamese cats to large and robust breeds like Maine Coons. They have been selectively bred over centuries for different traits, resulting in a wide range of coat colors and patterns. On the other hand, wild cats like jaguars have a more uniform appearance. They are larger in size compared to most domestic cats, with a muscular build and a distinctive coat pattern of rosettes, which are unique to this species. Another significant difference between domestic cats and wild cats is their behavior and habitat. Domestic cats have been living closely with humans for thousands of years, which has led to significant behavioral changes. They have adapted to an indoor lifestyle and have become more sociable compared to their wild counterparts. Domestic cats are known to be affectionate, playful, and enjoy human companionship. They have also developed a range of vocalizations to communicate with their owners. In contrast, wild cats like jaguars are solitary creatures that prefer to roam vast territories in search of prey. They have a more independent and elusive nature, making them harder to domesticate. Dietary preferences and hunting techniques also differentiate domestic cats from wild cats like jaguars. Domestic cats are true carnivores and require a diet high in protein. They primarily rely on commercially manufactured cat food or a combination of wet and dry food. While they may exhibit some hunting behavior, most domestic cats do not rely on hunting for survival. On the other hand, wild cats like jaguars are skilled hunters and mainly feed on large prey such as deer, capybara, and tapirs. Their hunting techniques involve stealth and patience as they stalk their prey before launching a swift attack. The reproductive and breeding habits of domestic cats and wild cats differ significantly as well. Domestic cats can breed throughout the year, with female cats going into heat every 3 weeks until they become pregnant. They typically give birth to litters of kittens that rely on their mother for care and nurturing. In contrast, wild cats like jaguars have a more seasonal breeding pattern. Female jaguars are in heat for a substantial period, during which males compete for their attention. Once pregnant, the female jaguar will find a secluded den to give birth to her cubs, which she will raise entirely on her own. Lastly, the conservation status of domestic cats and wild cats like jaguars is worth mentioning. Domestic cats are not considered endangered as they are widespread and have a large population. However, it is crucial to address the issue of stray and feral cats, as they can have a negative impact on local ecosystems. On the other hand, wild cats like jaguars are facing numerous threats, including habitat loss, poaching, and conflict with humans. They are listed as near threatened on the International Union for Conservation of Nature (IUCN) Red List, highlighting the need for conservation efforts to protect these magnificent creatures. In conclusion, domestic cats and wild cats like jaguars may share some similarities in appearance, but they possess distinct differences in behavior, habitat, diet, reproduction, and conservation status. Domestic cats have adapted to living with humans and have become more sociable and reliant on us for their needs. In contrast, wild cats like jaguars remain elusive and prefer a solitary lifestyle. Understanding and appreciating these differences are crucial to ensuring the well-being and conservation of both domestic cats and their wild counterparts.